don't understand why these people don't want to drive fast through here. They want to look at the shit too. They're about to pour it out right now.
Can't see most of it.
Steal a couple kisses, get your deeds.
Our truck's about to block the whole freeway away.
You don't do feelings, but baby, if you're willing, I'ma do my best to change your mind. 'Cause the way you stole my heart without a sign. Yeah, the way you stole my heart without a sign. Girl, it ought to be a crime. I just wanna spin you around that. I just wanna spin you around.
Get ready, you might smell some nasty shit.
Huh, fun.
Why are people going faster?
Well, hopefully because they're wanting to, like, account for the safety of the firefighters.
No,
But-
our lane right here.
Oh, because they want to watch. Which, I mean, like, I'm taking a video, so
I
I
know,
like,
but-
pot, kettle, like, God, I hope nobody's in that.